Okay, time to take a look at the Ultenic Wash Vac AC1 Elite. So we got our power supply. It says it's good for 100 to 240 volts. So that means it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 0.8 amps at 35 volts. Nice big instruction manual. We got a filter, so that's nice. We got a cleaning brush. Even has a hook on the end so we can hang that up. And we have some floor cleaning solution. This is Lemon Shine. It looks like our solution tank. And there it is. This is nice. We got our storage base. And I really like having that because there's going to be a little bit of water residue on the bottom of the vacuum. So when we put it on here, we don't have to worry about that damaging the carpet. So we've got a little cover for our rollers. And this is a nice soft fuzzy roller on here. So that's going to be good. It's going to be able to soak up a lot of material. We've got our tank. So this actually has a filter built in, which means that this one is an extra. Cool. And then this should just come apart. There we go. So pretty simple. There's even a rubber ring here on the bottom to make sure we got a good seal. So that means the solution tank goes right there. And then the handle. So on the top of the vacuum, we got our display. And I do like that you can't really see anything unless it's on. So that is cool. And it says after the self-cleaning cycle is completed, please take out the roller brush and dry to prevent odor, which makes sense. So that's cool. Very easy. Just pops right out. And then we got this little tray in the back so we can let that air dry. That is cool. Neat. So it says the charger will plug the power supply into the side. So that's actually really cool. So we're plugging that into the base. And that is going to
avoid odor, please clean the wastewater tank by starting the self-cleaning function.
Oh, okay. So we got a light flashing right here. It looks like a couple of bubbles. So that means we need to add water to the clean water tank. And on the back of the bottle, it says, please dilute with a ratio of 1 to 100, a bottle cap of 10 milliliters. So I'm just going to take one bottle cap of this. I'm going to add it to the tank. And then we're going to fill the rest of that up with water. So I got that filled up to just under the max level. So on the top of the handle, there is an auto clean button. So I want to have this on the base. And then we're going to press that.
Start self-cleaning.
Yeah, look at that. That is awesome. So whatever the heck is on this brush, it's going to suck everything out. It's going to put new fluid on it, suck that out again, and it's going to completely clean this thing all by itself. We don't have to do anything. That is awesome. So right now it sounds like it's just running the vacuum to try to dry it out, to try to pull as much moisture out of there as it can.
Self-cleaning complete. Please empty the wastewater tank.
That is awesome. Cool. So it's a little damp, but it's not what I would call it. It's definitely not soaked. Very cool. I love stuff that takes care of itself. That is really nice. So it looks like it used about 1/3 of the water, maybe a little less because this part of the compartment is definitely thicker than the top. So let's do some actual cleaning. I've got quite a mess on the floor. I'm going to make it even worse. This is a wet dry vac, so that means that it should also work on fluids, which is the best thing about it. So I'm going to put a little salad dressing on the floor. That way we know that we can see it. And now turn it on.
Power on. Smart mode.
Okay. So we are picking up all of the dry stuff, which is great. There is a little speck right there. That's actually damage to the floor. That's nothing this thing can do. I do like how it's cleaning it. I also like that I can pivot the handle, and it doesn't make the whole thing entirely rotate. So it'll make it a lot easier to actually handle. So let's see how this does on the ranch. Cool. Oh, that is awesome. Okay. Well, I'm super impressed. That is great. That is going to make cleaning up spills in the kitchen so much nicer. For all the times where I had to get down on my hands and knees to clean stuff off the floor, don't have to do that anymore. That is great.
Start self self-cleaning.
Okay, that's pretty awesome. So after 2 self-cleanings and 1 floor cleaning, the fluid level, it is almost empty. So we gotta see it. I figure we can do about 2 floor cleanings and then we'll just have to refill it. So we got this thing up. It is gonna dry. Now I'm just gonna take this tank. I'll go dump that out, clean it out with this brush, and then put it back and we are ready to go. That is a fantastic vacuum. I am very happy with that.